So guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm introducing my sister Sienna, hey guys, on her first video on my channel. However, in this video, it's not gonna be an introduction video. It's a cooking challenge, me versus her. I'm gonna win, of course.
No, I'm gonna win.
I'm probably gonna lose, yeah. My thing is either gonna be total success or total failure. I don't know about hers. She cooks and bakes a lot more than me, so let's hope I just don't fail this.
Welcome to the Great Sibling Cook-Off. I am Judge Dad, and I will be determining the winner of this contest. The three criteria for the foods are creativity, presentation, and taste. And with that in mind, we look forward to a great contest. Let the contest begin.
Game on! So guys, these are the ingredients for my dish. It's the grilled honey cumin barbecue pork packs, I think. Kind of complex name, but I hope the demonstration, creativity, and taste are all good for Judge Dad. Let's hope he likes this dish. And I'm going first. So. First is the... No, I'm not gonna say first is the worst. No. Let's go!
Okay, so we're gonna be making mini pizzas. Also, we're making fruit cups. These are just my pizza ingredients. So yeah, I hope it turns out good. I also hope I beat my brother. Wish me luck, and let's get into it.
So guys, here goes the lighting.
Okay, so now I'm doing 1 cup of flour. Okay, next is sugar. Okay, so now I'm doing 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and a packet of yeast. Okay, and after that, we actually add 2 more cups of flour. It's kind of strange, but we do. Okay, so I actually read the directions wrong. You're not supposed to put in the extra 2 cups of flour until after you mix all the other ingredients. But we'll see how it turns out. I hope it doesn't get ruined. But the next thing is a cup of water. So I'm just gonna pour this in. Okay. And then 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, now we're gonna mix it all.
So guys, these carrot scraps are like, why aren't they in the trash? Well, it's because my bunny, he loves to eat carrot scraps. And even carrot tops and lots of other vegetables some he can't eat, but he loves it. So why don't we just give it to him? He'll love it. And then go the carrots with the potatoes.
Okay, so now it's not fully mixed, so I'm putting all of it onto this tray thing to mix it with my hands. I hope that will help. Okay, so now we put the Saran Wrap over the top of the ball and we let it just sit somewhere for 15 minutes, so not in a fridge or freezer or oven, just out on the counter somewhere for 15 minutes, and then we wait.
So guys, we get a 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce, a 1/4 cup of honey, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So I just put the ingredients in a small mixing bowl and mix it together. So we finished putting all the ingredients in, and now it's time to stir it together. For the first part of this meal, I might have put a little too much cumin in. After I didn't put enough, I put a little more in, and it was way too much.
Okay, so now we're gonna I'm putting in like a medium-sized can and a small can of tomato paste. Okay, now I'm putting in just a little bit of water into this to pour in that just for measurement. Okay, now we do a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. A 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, and then finally an 1/8 teaspoon of basil. Okay, and now we mix it all together, and now we have our sauce. Okay, so also at any point when you think that there's not enough of something, you can always try and add a little bit more of it. So I think that my sauce needs a little bit more of something, so I'm gonna smell the other spices to see what it needs more of. I feel like I can't really smell a lot of this, so I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more in. We could maybe just sprinkle a little more. I do not smell, well, some spices, you don't smell them individually, but I just don't smell a lot of flavor in this, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I think this is probably going to be good. So I'm just gonna mix this in.
So guys, now it's time to get the scissors and cut it into 5 equal sections for each of the pork chops, potatoes, and carrots, small percentage of those. And I'm pretty bad at cutting, so we'll see how this goes for neatness. So guys, now we gotta get the potatoes and carrots onto there along with the sauce to make it the final professional. That's 1 carrot, 1 potato. So 4 potatoes, that's 3. 4 potatoes and 1 more carrot. And now we can do the sauce, so that's 2 tablespoons. I think we should only do 1.5 tablespoons. So guys, this is not really folded the best, but it is ready to grill. So we just now gotta take the long process of getting the grill set up since it's winter.
Okay, so now we're gonna put the sauce on this. Okay, so now I'm putting the cheese on the pizza. Okay, so now since the pizzas are pretty small, I'm gonna rip the salami or pepperoni so it is not as big.
So now I gotta put it on the grill. I think the grill is heated up enough. And we'll see how it fares cooking. So guys, I ended up cooking it for 20 minutes. And let's see how they are. I'm not sure if this will work. For Judge Dad, that's for you. And let me try these. There. Then let me know, plier thingies. Oh, I can't do that one.
Okay, so now I'm making my side dish, fruit cups. Okay, so I am cutting a little slit in the mandarins for just little decorations on the fruit cups.
So this is my meal for you. There's some pork with some barbecue sauce and honey, some potatoes spreaded with some more barbecue sauce, honey, cumin, salt, some carrots spreaded with it, and it looks like the black streaks of the good old pork. I don't like to eat pork because I love pigs. Eat on!
Well, it's very creative that you did it here, in the aluminum foil, and we used the grill, or use the grill, and so that it's very creative the way it's done. It's very nice. We've got several different colors here. Okay, we are here for Sienna's meal, and it looks very nice indeed. It's very pretty. It's creative. We have a pizza here on without where it's a crust, but like not a crust. It's a kind of mini pizza, but there's not a crust around it. So that's a little unusual. That's creative.
And it was grilled.
And it was grilled on the grill outdoors.
Kind of like puffy.
And now we have this nice side dish too, this fruit salad with different kinds of fruits and different colors here. So that's nice. So it's creative. The presentation is very nice. It's plain, but it's simple. It's simple, and that's a good thing. So I'm going to taste it now. I'm going to taste carrot and potato together. Very good, very good. And now, the real key, of course, is the pork. Now it looks like it's nicely done on the inside. I like the barbecue sauce on it. This is still the presentation and the looks. And so it looks very good. So let me try how my son's pork is. Yeah. Very good. I taste the barbecue sauce, just enough to give it a little flavor, but not so much as to overwhelm the taste of the pork itself. So now it's time for the taste. Yes.
Well, what would you rate the presentation and creativity?
Oh, well, let me think about that. Very good. Very good. Yeah, it's maybe I suggest not being quite so thick, being a little more like a thin pizza or something. It's a little bit doughy, but it certainly tastes good. So I like that. And so I can guess what these are going to taste like, the fruit. So I'll just eat one of them, maybe this one. Yeah, nice balance of the fruit and the pizza.
Creativity.
So some numbers. Well, creativity, I think I would give it an 8.
Oh, wow!
So I think I'll give the creativity. Also, I like that you've done this too, so I'll also give the creativity an 8. And presentation, it could have been maybe made a little fancier here on the plate. So I'll give that, but it's looks fine, it looks attractive, it's appealing, so I'll give that a 7. And and I'll give the presentation, because it's very nice with the different colors, I'll give that an 8. For the taste, I don't think anything wrong with it, so I think I'll give it a 9. And the taste, I think the taste gets an 8 too, so I'll give you just straight 8s. So that comes out to 24 out of 30, which I'm a tough judge, so that's an excellent score.
Yeah! I think I'm gonna beat Sienna this time.
Okay, so... Oh, I'm tied with Ethan. It's 24 and 24.
Well, how about that?
So guys, here's the scores, and it ends up we did tie. So the only thing we can do to solve this problem is a best of 5 rock, paper, scissors contest. And whoever wins that, wins it all. This is the final deciding thing of who wins the grand title of Amazing Cook. Rock, paper, scissors, best of 5.
Game
On!
Okay, let's do it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No! Yes, I won the first one!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes, I won! You win one more!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I won!
No? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yay!
So guys, as you saw, it was a tie, and she won on rock, paper, scissors. But we're just curious, so comment down below who you think would have truly won the contest if it had not been for our parents. Oh, like all parents. But thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen!